Grow a remedy. Create your own home remedies. The Grow a Remedy guide has been created by Lisa, a natural remedy specialist, with over 16 years of experience. The guide will teach you to prepare the correct natural remedies for many different ailments such as colds and flu, anxiety/panic attacks, irritable bowel syndrome, high blood pressure, arthritis, high cholesterol, acne, migraines, hot flushes, and night sweats, athlete's foot, infertility, bad breath, and many more. Lisa explains that natural remedies are prepared by the medicine that lies within a plant. Almost all plants, flowers, trees, and herbs have some type of medicinal properties. The great thing is that most of the medicines made from these sources have no side effect if taken in appropriate manner. A lot of pharmacy medicines have a negative effect on your body. For example, antibiotics are good for attacking the infection, but they have different side effects like damaging the immune system, and more dangerous side effects like blood disorder can also be caused by them. You can adjust the medicine dosage according to your requirements. With this guide, all of the sketchwork has already been done for you. You just have to follow the directions given in it, and you will be able to have the following advantages. You will be able to create natural remedies that heal symptoms very quickly. These remedies will help you become stronger and live a longer life. The medicine that you will use to treat your ailments will have no side effects. Natural remedies will help you save the money that you spend on doctors, fee and medicine. You can buy the products used in these medicines, or grow them in your backyard. The cure will be a permanent one, and the disease won't return back once you stop using the medicine. The Grow a Remedy guide makes it very easy for you to quickly and easily produce a variety of remedies from common ailments, and also products to enhance your beauty. The whole process of getting relief involves just 3 steps: purchasing or growing the ingredients, creating the medicine, and taking it whenever required. The book also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and 2 bonuses. Bonus 1. Herbal Suppliers List. For people who don't want to grow their own herbs, this guide provides a comprehensive list of suppliers that deal in the core ingredients of the herbal medicines. All the suppliers are available to order online, so you can order without even going to them. Bonus 2. Free Updates Card. With this bonus you will have access to the free updates card, and you will receive the upgraded copy for free. Click on the link in the description to learn more.